Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices slipped as the dollar and bond yields rose after the US Federal Reserve held interest rates steady, as widely expected, providing little clarity on the timing of future rate cuts. US equity indexes dipped and Treasury yields pushed higher after the Federal Reserve held interest rates steady and gave little insight into when further reductions in borrowing costs may take place. Coinbase has appointed Chris Lascivita, former co-campaign manager for President Donald Trump, to its Global Advisory Council. This move deepens Coinbase's connections with the Trump administration as it navigates the evolving landscape of digital asset regulation.
The euro-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The sterling-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
In the days to come, a lineup of significant economic data releases is set to unfold. With high-impact reports leading the way, it's important for investors and traders to monitor these announcements to anticipate potential market movements and volatility. As we move through this week, these economic updates will be closely watched. Make sure to stay informed and ready to adapt to any shifts in market trends.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.